Hello, my name is Rizwan. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to calculate employees' regular overtime and total weekly pay. This program uses the inputs of hourly wage, regular hours, and overtime hours to calculate the weekly pay. So first we have a variable assignment statement here at the very beginning. We have a variable called hourly wage. It's a float, and then it's asking for input, which is saying enter the employee's hourly wage. It can be a decimal. So hourly wage means like how much an employee is paid per hour. So maybe paid like $15.80 per hour. Regular hours here, this is also a float variable that's asking enter the regular hours that the employee worked. It can also be a decimal. So maybe we worked a total of 33 hours and maybe another half an hour throughout the total week. So it'd be 33.5 hours. The overtime hours is basically how many extra hours you worked aside from how many you were supposed to. So maybe we worked 1.5 hours more on Wednesday when we were supposed to work 8 hours. So the overtime hours would be 1.5. So this next statement, we are calculating the regular pay for the entire week. So this is the regular hours for the entire week, and this is the hourly wage, which is how much the employee gets paid per hour. Then we have the multiplication operator, which is this star. So I will show you this formula. It says gross wages equals hourly wage times hours worked. So wages is another way of saying employees pay, and then hourly wage is hourly, how much the employee is paid, and then hours worked, the regular hours. So we can apply the same concept to the overtime pay. The employee's regular pay rate per hour, then the overtime hours for the entire week, not just one day. So if there was more hours than just Wednesday that they worked overtime, this would also be included, and then times 1.5, because the project says that overtime hours means 1.5 times the hourly wage. So this next line is calculating the total pay, so regular pay and also overtime pay. So we just add them together using the addition operator. Now we will print the regular, overtime, and total pay in a nice format. So we have regular pay, the dollar sign. I'm assuming we're using dollars, but if it's some other currency, we can use the sign. Or if the sign goes after, then we would add it after. Then we have STR, the regular pay variable. Same for the overtime pay, dollar sign, addition operator, so we're concatenating the strings, STR, and overtime pay. And this last one is printing the total pay for the week. The dollar sign, addition for concatenating the strings, STR, and then the total pay variable. Now we will move on to the demonstration of the program. So first here we are asked to enter the employee's hourly wage. I will say 16.75. Enter the regular hours that the employee worked. It can be a decimal. Let's say I worked a total of 29.8 hours this week. Let's say overtime hours 2.5. So as you can see here, our necessary pay for the week has been calculated. So regular pay is $499, overtime pay is $62.81, total pay is $561.96. So if we add these two, we should get this. Thank you.